All right, how are you guys doing today? You guys doing good? All right, so before beginning any class, I usually like to do something which is what I call a check-in. Something I would like is basically asking you guys a question, just like kind of the question of the day. So one of the questions I guess I'll ask you guys today is something like, what's your favorite color? Think about it for about 30 seconds. All right, and we're going to begin from this row, go around. So just from here forward, we're going to start. Just say the favorite color, and we're going to keep going forward. You don't have a favorite color? Okay, what color do you tend to use the most? Let's say for clothing. All right, next one? Yeah. Black? Okay, and you? Black? Red? Oh. You? Sorry? Pink? Nice. Yellow? What about you? Red? Cool. You? Black? What about you? What? What about you? What's your color? Blue. Blue? All right, you?
Red.
All right. You? Black? Black? What about you? Yeah. Blue? You? Black?
Blue.
Blue? Red? Which one? Red? What about you? Blue? Blue? What about you, Miss Karina? Blue. Brandon? Blue? All right, what about you? Red? You? Red? You? Red. Green. Oh, what about you? Cool. What about you? What's your favorite color? So there seems to be a battle between blue and black. Interesting here. So my favorite color is actually green. And it's just something, this is something I like to tend to do at the beginning of the classroom. So it's just something in order for me to get to know you better. And this is an example of it. All right, so recently we have been modeling systems of equations, specifically to real-life scenarios. So what we're going to do today is we're actually going to do a worksheet that involves modeling systems of equations with scenarios, specifically something called candy costs. So while Mr. Raw is passing this out, can any of you guys tell me any characteristics or anything you guys recall about systems of equations? Yeah.
It's a set of two equations.
Nice. And can anyone tell me what does x and y represent in these equations? Input and output. Okay. Which one's the dependent variable? You said a y?
No.
Which one's the dependent variable? Or better yet, what's the definition of a dependent variable? Yeah.
A dependent variable is a variable that's affected when you change the one, what's it called?
The independent variable?
Yeah, the independent variable.
Yeah, that's correct. All right, so simple definitions. Cool. So now, I want you guys all to look at this worksheet. Can somebody read it out loud for me? Yeah, go ahead.
I was going to read it.
We bought Smarties and gummy lollipops as break food for the next weekend. Each bag of Smarties cost $7 for 30 times. The bag of gummy lollipops cost $8 for 30 times. We ended up spending $60.50 on purchases.
All right. So based off this prompt, we will start looking at what are some of the givens. So just shout it out. What are some things that are given to us in this prompt here? Things that are going to be useful for us when we are trying to solve the following questions below. what are some givens? Yeah. Yeah. So in total, he spent $60 and. Ah. Can you guys see that?
No, you turn the lights off.
How do you turn the lights off?
I got it.
Thank you. All right, cool. What else is given to us here?
The lollipop cost.
Sorry?
The lollipop cost.
Okay. And how much is that? All right.
Including tax.
All right, and what else is given to us here?
Smarties.
Smarties? Total cost of $7, right? Including tax. All right, there's something else that there's another piece of given information that we have here. Can anyone spot it? Yeah. So he ended up spending $60.50 on a purchase of 8 items. Correct. All right. So what are we going to do with this given information? Well, with this given information, we're going to start off. Wait, were you guys actually able to get all of highlight everything that was shown here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Everybody has it highlighted? Okay, cool. Thank you. All right, so with this given information, we can start using it applying for one of the first questions. So the first question states, can someone read this one? The first question, read it out loud. Who would like to read this one out loud?
You can use the sticks.
Oh, awesome. You get to choose now.
I was trying to help out. It should be hard for the community.
Star. Can you read the first one out loud for me, please? Just read the first. Where it says one.
Using the information above, complete the following table.
All right. So here we have a table. And here the givens is on the left column, which is the number of Smartie bags from 0 to 8. Then we have the middle column, which is the number of the Dum Dum Lollipop bags. And then the third one is a total cost of 8 items. All right. So in order to complete this chart, what we need to do is we have a given here that says he ended up spending $60.50 on his purchase of 8 items. So for an example, I want to do the first one with you guys, and you guys can help me along if you guys would like. So one of the givens in the first one here is that the number of Smartie bags that your teacher bought was 0 bags. Okay? So if we need to purchase a total of 8 items, how many number of the lollipops does he need to purchase here? Let's see.
Well, wait, you said you need to purchase a total of 8 items?
Yes,
Also, you need to purchase 8
8.
lollipops.
All right. So you need to purchase a total of 8 bags.
See that?
Wait, count. All right. I'll just write it here. All right. So you need to purchase a total of 8 bags, right? Now for the third row, we need to find the total cost for the 8 items. So in order to find the total cost, what do we have to do with this and this?
Since there's no Smartie bag, right?
Yeah.
So it's just all Dum Dum lollipop bags.
Okay, and how much is each bag?
It's $8.50.
$8.50? Okay, so knowing that it's $8.50, let's see. Stephanie. How do we find the total cost of the number of Dum Dum Lollipop bags? 850 times 8. Okay, so can someone come up with that computation? Or 850 times 8? 68. Yeah.
You're left-handed.
Yes, I am.
Cool.
All right, so how did we come up with this total? Well, we added up the number of Smartie bags, which in this case is 0, because that's how many your teacher purchased, plus the number of the lollipop bags, which is a total of 8 bags, which gives us a total cost for those 8 items of $68. Alright, so next what we're going to do is, I want to place you guys into groups. Groups of 3. You guys will all be working in groups together. We're going to start numbering you guys off from 1 to 3. So from here we're going to begin going around all the way till we get to the end of the class. So from here we're going to start. 1. Okay, and again. 1.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh.
1. 1. 3.
Oh.
And then 1. And here.
Huh? 2.
Alright, so in your groups, we're going to go as follows. These are the following instructions. I want group 1 to sit here. Group 2 to sit here in the middle. Group 3 to sit here in the back. And the same goes here. Group 1 here. Group 2 in the middle. Group 3 in the back. Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. You guys have a minute to get up and go into your groups. There should be 3 people in each group. 3 people. Group 3. Pick me up. Yeah. Oh.
There we go.
There's one over here, one over here, and one over here. There's one here and yes.
You're okay?
What number?
Or you know what, we'll put all 1s here, all 2s here, and all 3s here. Thank you.
Fabio, do you have a problem set? Alright.
Awesome. $7,000 to get the ticket right in front of Kobe. The courtside ticket is $27,000 for 1 ticket. I have the go. Well, you're group 2, bro. Come here. You already think about it. You're group 2 and everything is the same thing. It's only this group 2. She's only 1, so can she come over here?
Yeah.
They want.
Alright, now that all of you guys are grouped together, I would like to have your attention forward here, please. Attention in 3, 2,
No, I'm just.
1. Alright, thank you guys. So for the following worksheet here, I would like for you guys to complete this chart. Then from this chart, you will be able to solve the following problems. Once we're able to solve the following problems, we are going to get together as a class, and we are going to solve or give our answers and also our explanations for these problems. Then after, if you guys flip over the page, there's something that I also post, which is an exit ticket. So by the end of the class, before you guys leave, you guys have to answer this exit ticket. But this is after you guys have to finish this worksheet. So you guys will have between 15 to 20 minutes to work in your groups and get this worksheet done together. If you guys have any questions, if you guys need any help, I will be walking around, and you guys can begin. One smart.
Right?
guys can use a calculator. Are they allowed to use calculators? Can you use calculators?
Yeah, you can use calculator.
I'll bring our calculator.
Right?
Here's a couple of calculators. Yes, right, let's go end of day. We're going to do that end of day, okay? The confidence. Oh, you did? You did? Oh, okay.
Oh, you roasted? Oh, I thought you were going to get the roasted.
She's sauteing camera too.
How are you guys doing?
Maybe grilling there.
Oh, I did. You guys already got the second. Nice.
See what you do. Okay, what's the next line of things? It'll say like, see how like what 5 digits here if you
Eight was
if you're gonna add for starting back, you're gonna see like that one back. Like we get to 8 total, so if you're 1 here, it's going to be 7 here. So we're adding 4 here. Then you want to do your calculations, right? It'll cost the same amount. You're going to add up like, you're going to figure out how much these cost and then how much we get.
It would be like the total for 7 dum-dums on top would be maybe 1.
The price is very good.
I know, that's what I'm saying. So you
So what you would just do is,
just find the total of this and then add this one.
yeah.
Hey, no, what's not?
How are you guys doing?
I'll tell your mom.
I got it!
Sure, I got it, but it's good to know all this shit.
Hey,
But
but
here, which gave us 68. But how do we get 68? We had it together. And it gave us a spot. So in the second row, we have one number of spots. How much is one? $7. So you will get $7 plus how many number of the lollipops? How many bags?
no, you oven has you could Busted back. Hobbling my
Whoa, what's happening? You mess up? Dude, this is why I like to use pencil. It makes life so better.
Your teacher, a given, is a purchase. You basically write your entire topics. So all you do is write the number that you purchased. And then you just add up the numbers. Which give you the total cost of all of it. You guys have any other
No, I had a question.
Oh, okay, I was like, I'll make the jokes of the yeah. You just sort of like,
But I thought it was
yeah, so this semester you get two.
You
So
rushed
you
it
already used two in January. Oh, really your work right now? Where am I roasting?
We ain't roasting bacon.
Why would you roast bacon? Why would you do bacon and a roasting?
You know you can bake.
No,
bacon,
what's
right?
if like absent, like the
Oh.
day they get the homework?
Oh, they get extra day.
Okay.
I'm pretty flexible with that, but maybe like 2 weeks turn in and I'm like, okay. Tomorrow. Sound good, Daniela? You can turn in tomorrow. No.
Bro, you know what? I know you're not roasting, bro.
You know anything, go give me her then. Okay. So what are the two, what would everyone might be?
I was actually surprised I didn't get to. What was my timing?
Which one's attended, like, give cost
And then science twice, and then SSR,
But I
and
still
then
didn't get it.
cost and basic.
what does the test look like?
What's dependent on the other stage? Number of okay. Which one's usually dependent variable?
Oh, so what's your X and what's your Y?
No.
I know you're not
Y is
roasting.
usually dependent on the X. This would be Y, and this would be X, and this one also. Because you're gonna have two different,
So what do you guys think that's about?
names, this would be like X1, X2. Okay. No problem. Alright, you guys okay in the back?
So say like you didn't know how many you had of these stages.
Yeah, it is.
You said this
Although,
is
X and Y, it's like Y doesn't always
Great.
or like that. So Y could also.
What are you gonna let X do?
So the only thing I'm looking for is what are the two things that are
You purchase one.
You guys okay over here?
Does that
So
go?
the hours and the must be good.
Because like you're gonna have this many and this
No, I'm
many,
saying
but
you
you
just
didn't
want
know.
to
You can just let the number of Smarties be.
Yeah, so like these.
You're sort of define the variable. You're sort of define the variable.
So,
Okay, so you want to think about which
So
one
like,
is
it's
X
kind
and
of
which
like
one
we
is
were
Y.
doing last
Okay.
time.
So the guys right here
You
is
say,
the
I would test like,
number
like
back.
I want 11 something.
The number bags be dependent on the cost. or the
So
cost
these
be
ones
dependent
feel
on
like
the
Somebody
percentage.
got weeks, so like X
And
was.
this.
Yep, and then which one's
How many pounds
the
there were,
You gotta
and Y was
choose
like.
these two independently.
No.
Because
Well,
one of them
right,
is X,
and
one
you
is
do
And
that,
like the
fine.
number of
Y is just dependent on what X is.
or
This
weeks
would
that
be your
were
Y.
live, that there was
one of them, that's one.
And because there's two here, this would be X and
What
Y.
you're doing for number 5, right, is just
We have like two
X.
different areas.
And then the next one.
Alright, so see that fellas? Now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna think about. Oh, I can't get a turn. You can turn it.
how much was it per year?
Please, thank you. wasn't even questioning you. I was just walking over and see what you feeling guilty or not. This is an equation. Okay, good. So we have two equations. We have one for dumb ducks and we have one for Smarty Bags, right? So how much did the Smarty Bags cost? 7. So we'd say, okay, so the cost for the Smarty Bags is going to be 7 times however many we buy. Okay. I mean, you write like y equals 7 times x because the cost, because y works the cost, and 7 is how much it costs, right? And then x is however many we buy. So like we buy 1, we buy 2, x represents whatever amount we're going to buy. Because you understand why that's all about? Because y represents the cost, right? X represents number of bags. So the cost will be based on how many bags you buy times 7. You guys compare it here? And which one is completely independent?
Yeah, right? Okay, so
Green. Good talk, good talk. So then, which, so do you understand what x and y would be?
Guys, we're almost done. Let's go. I got a call at 5.
Oh, you have a green cross today?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Which one would be x and y?
What is that?
He's doing that dirty.
You don't do this today?
Yeah, I'm done.
Yeah.
We don't have to fight.
Which one would be x and which one would be y?
I'm gonna reserve the
I don't know about wait, which is next one?
Okay, so, okay, I would make sure.
Yeah, so S would be the number of what?
You guys are going to get your, your progress report each summer Friday. We're going to talk about your test grade tomorrow. Your test grades were not good.
Dependent variables.
Yeah.
Okay, so S, Y,
Yeah, about to now. I don't know, I'm going to find out in a minute.
I had a key in there. I was trying to do like
How do you define, so here define your variables. What's x? So it's a total cost. So we look at that right here.
they curved everything? Oh, now it's a C?
This is the total cost.
So what I would do is,
Yeah, they curve it, huh? God. So 50% is like this. See? That's how it looks. That's a bell. 31.
All right, everyone, listen carefully. All eyes on me. All right, before you leave, I would like for each one of you guys to at least write something in the back for the exit ticket. And before you guys leave, I will take your packet. Oh, I will check that the exit ticket has been written, and that will be essentially your ticket out of the classroom. Whoever has the exit ticket done, may go forward.
Oh, really?
Hey, I can agree. We can look at the grade detail.
Exactly.
Yeah, you're agreeing with that one.
Hey, Craig, I thought I made it up to the morning.
Oh, then I need to fix it.
I don't have never did an A plus on this test.
Craig, I came and made up quiz 2 also. I mean, I'm still passing it.
Yeah, it's not my Friday. Who do you guys have next? Who's the next class? I'll let him know.
Alright, so do you guys have tickets? You guys need a ticket? You guys can go forward.
Would my dispatch please be moved down? Thank you.
Are you finished?
Leslie. Oh, that's okay, sir. Thank you. How are you? You miss me? I appreciate it. What grade?
Yeah, we have English twice.
A lot. And then we have
Love you. Here you go.
Bro, Carol's lit though.
at the end of the day.
Welcome back.
Oh, wait, no, it's not the end of the day.
Nobody wants to say happy birthday. Just want to say happy birthday.
Hey, but Eric's birthday's on Thursday.
Hey, you put it in like that. I'm missing a bunch of problem sets and stuff. You put I'm missing a lot of
Did
things.
I?
Yo, look.
Can we look at it later? Might be because we don't like doing it. No, I did forget to put in a few things at the last minute, so.
Okay. I mean, I'm passing now.
You're not the only one. I know, but it doesn't matter if you're passing. You should have a higher grade. You should have a higher grade.
Right. So, that's not my fault. Right? Right there.